Two of my biggest financial mistakes I have ever made was fixing my money into Nigerian banks such as GT Bank, and also fixing my money in Piggyvest, Corywise, and I'm making this video so that you can never make such a mistake. I'm going to reveal a secret that you don't know about, or some people that know it, they don't want you to know about it. And I'm very sure that some people are definitely going to be mad at me for revealing this secret. What if I told you that the Nigerian banks or your fintech apps like Piggyvest, Corywise, they are cheating on you when it comes to investing, when it comes to fixing your money in their pocket or putting their money in their pocket? Now, some people might say that it was a safe place. It is very safe when you put your money in Piggyvest and they will give you 20 to 25% per annum. Fine, it's definitely, it is very, very safe. You are being cautious. You want a safe place whereby you don't want to lose your money. But what if I told you that you can make 50% interest per annum? Yeah. What if I told you can make 50% interest per annum? These banks or these fintech apps, they're also doing what I'm about to reveal to you, and that is fixing your money, put your money in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Yeah, you heard me right. Put your money in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. There are a lot of companies in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. We have the Aradel, we have GT Bank, we have First Bank, we have Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, and so many others in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So if you put your money in this company, but before you put your money in these companies, you need to know what these companies, what they are all about, what they give to the users, and you need to know their financial report as well. That is very, very important, because you don't want to invest your money in a company that is not performing very well. Trust me, you are going to lose your capital in that company. So take for example, me personally, I've made 50% interest in less than 6 months when I put my money in some companies in Nigerian Stock Exchange. I'm going to show you an invest in this video. Now, some of you might be asking me that which company should you invest into. I'm going to tell you the company you should invest into in this video. But if you want to know about the companies you should invest in this video, you can simply send me an email. But before you start investing in a particular company in the Nigerian Stock Exchange, you need to know what the company is all about. You need to study the company very well, because if you don't know what this company even produces at all, do not put your money into. That's one of the financial mistakes that people do in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. They just enter, they see a nice company, oh, this company sounds nice. They don't even know what the company is all about. They don't even know what the company does to their users. They just put their money there, and boom, the company might make you lose your money. So if you invest in the Nigerian Stock Exchange, trust me, you're going to make 50%, more than 50% interest per annum. That is if you invest in the right company. Emphasis on the right company. Don't just enter into Nigerian Stock Exchange and put your money in any company that you see or that you feel that it is very, very good. uh, there are a lot of ways you can join to the Nigerian Stock Exchange. You can either join them using fintech apps like Invest Babu, Cho Finance, Mary Trade by Mary Stem, or you register via a traditional stockbroker like Cardinal Stone, Stanbic IBTC, Mary Stem, Invest Nigeria, or Lambert Securities. So those are the few ways, a lot of ways actually you can join and start investing your money in Nigerian Stock Exchange. And trust me, if you invest rightly, if you invest correctly in a particular company, trust me, you will ditch put your money or fix your money in Piggyvest, in Corywise, in Fair Money. Trust me, you are going to stop fix your money there, because you will enjoy the benefit that people also enjoy. And I've been emphasizing on the right company, and don't just jump. People will tell you that invest your money in, take for example, GT Bank, and you don't know what GT Bank is all about. You don't know the financial report of GT Bank, and all of a sudden you just drop into invest your money in GT Bank. Trust me, you might lose your money and you might not lose your money. So before you invest your money in a particular company, make sure you do your due diligence before you invest your money. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And if you need any guidance on how to get started on investing in the Nigerian stocks, please send me an email to tvibeonfiltered@gmail.com, and I'll respond to your email as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. And if you need any guidance, please send me an email, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.